Tap from Phone Share in UMind. Select a file from your phone. Transfer it directly to UMind. Once uploaded, go to Resources to open the file. Use your phone to input questions. Set correct answers for each question. Questions are linked to the uploaded file. Quick and easy question creation. Students scan the code to answer. Teachers can track accuracy instantly. See class-level data and individual answers. Use AI to analyze each question. Get instant explanations and results. Save time with fast, smart insights. Edit and save questions in WPS Memo. Easily review answers anytime. Search the web directly from UMind. Get extra resources in one click. Export and share questions easily. Multiple formats supported. Want a new background? Scan and select a photo from your phone. Instantly update UMind's background. Share, create, analyze, and customize, all from your mobile device.